Evening guys, welcome to the Night Vision show. Tonight I'm going to be going out on a new job, so keep your eyes peeled for some footage on that one. I'll be using a HikMicro Alpex 4K on top of my air rifle, and then I'll be using the Habrox from HikMicro also. Let's get into it and see how we get on. So guys, we've just got to the location. We're in a town centre tonight, so we've got the air rifle tonight, so it's not as loud. I've just zeroed the 4K on the top of it, as that's been on me 17 HMR for the last few days. I've got my XQ35L Habrox, so I'm going to be spotting with these tonight. So let's get into action and see how we get on.
As you can see from scanning around with the thermal, there was no shortage of rabbits, and Liam was quick to deploy the Alpex 4K LRF and put it to good use. Well, that's a bumper session for Liam out on the rabbits, just going to show the capabilities and performance of the Alpex 4K LRF. Now, if you like this sort of content, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below to get notified when we release all our latest videos every Friday. Join us next week, as we'll be joining Richard out in sunny Scotland out on a deer mission with his Condor. See you then.